This video is the procedure to replace a rear roller once it becomes soft or starts to melt. First thing you want to do is remove your two light shields. You have a Phillips head here and also in the back. Simply loosen them. They'll slide out in the slot. Also on this side the same thing. Reverse. Loosen the screws. Pull out the light shield. Also, you'll need to remove the cover on the main board to make it more accessible to the roller. There's two thumb screws. Remove the thumb screws. Lift your cover off. The next step is to remove the rear roller. Disengage your front roller so the back one moves out. You'll want to lift up your sensor cable, also your solenoid cable, moving it out of the way on both sides. Move your back roller out far enough that you can get to the eyelet that slips over the end of the shaft, this black eyelet. Simply rotate the roller a bit and slide it off. Now it's on a spring, so slowly release it. Take your red bushing off. Don't lose it, you're going to need it. Move to the other side. Same thing, remove the eyelet off. And take your bushing off to use on your new roller. Now the next part is putting the roller back in. As you can see, I've pulled out the eyelet with my finger to hold it in place. Now I'll move the roller back into place. Insert it in the eyelet. Slowly rotate it so it moves all the way in. Release it and move to the other side. Now that you've moved to the other side, pull the eyelet out with your fingers and slip it over the end of the shaft. Once you have it all the way in, move the roller back into its home position and then check to make sure it moves in and out freely. Once you've checked that, make sure you put your solenoid cable and your home and away sensor cables back in their original position so they do not get kinked. Don't forget to put your light shields back on. First put your cover over the main board. You have little cutouts here that the screws sit in. Put your two thumb screws back in. Put your light shields back on. And you're ready to go. Please don't forget to send the old roller back to Pressman's Pride once you've installed a new roller.